Hello friends, today's recipe I'll be cooking ogbono soup. I have my chicken, my mackerel fish, my prawns is already washed, my spinach is already cut and washed, my chopped onion, white chopped onion, my stock fish is already washed and soaked in salt water. My pepper mix is combination of red bell pepper, habanero pepper, ginger and onion. My dry ogbono. And also my seasoning cube and salt. My dry catfish is already washed. Palm oil and locust beans. So guys, let's get into the video. And also guys, I will not be adding any more salt or seasoning to my ogbono soup because I'm good with the seasoning and salt. But for you, if you are cooking your ogbono soup and you give it a taste and you need more salt, you can add little of it. ogbono soup is ready and so delicious. I mean so delicious, and we'll be eating this with pando yam. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your comments, for your like, and you need to try this recipe out. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.